In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image or video in Carrd, which is an essential part of getting the most out of your website design. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience with Carrd, these instructions will help ensure your content stands out just the way you want. First, let's get started by opening your Carrd editor. If you're not familiar with Carrd, it's a user-friendly platform for creating one-page sites for pretty much anything. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a tool panel on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic happens. To add an image, you'll begin by locating the plus button on the left-hand side of the editor. Go ahead and click it. A menu will pop up with various options. For our purposes, you'll want to choose the image option. Next, you'll see an upload button. Clicking this allows you to select an image from your computer that you want to add to your Carrd site. Once your image is uploaded, you have the option to resize or crop it so that it fits perfectly within your design. This is a great feature for fine-tuning the visual appeal of your site. After adjustments, confirm your changes by clicking accept. It's also important to consider accessibility, and Carrd offers an option to add alternative text to your images. This text helps users who are using screen readers understand what the image is. Additionally, you can link your image to a URL if there's somewhere you want your viewers to go when they click on it. Now let's move on to adding videos. Just like before, you'll start by clicking the plus button on the left hand side of the Carrd editor. This time, select the video option from the menu. At this stage, you can either choose to upload a video directly from your computer or opt for embedding a video. If you choose to embed, you'll be prompted to paste the URL of your video. Carrd is flexible with the sources from which you can embed videos, supporting popular platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Bilibili. After adding your video, you have further customization options at your disposal. For instance, you can toggle settings such as loop playback if you want your video to automatically start over once it finishes, or show player controls if you prefer viewers to have play, pause, and other UI options. And there you have it. These straightforward steps for adding images and videos into your Carrd site create a visually compelling web presence, ensuring your audience is engaged with the content you provide. Remember, practicing these actions will make you more comfortable and experienced in using Carrd effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.